What's up, everyone? So, have you ever experienced this thing before, particularly on doing the analysis with this Notebook LM? For example, if you'd like to do the analysis using the files of the Excel format, for example, I will start to attach the files in this Notebook LM. For example, I'm going to upload or drop the picture, and turns out it can, because you see here the notification only the following files types are supported, like PDF, text, MD until the GPE. Nothing we can do with the files in the Excel format. How to solve this problem? So the very simple trick that you can use here is you can transform this Excel files into the Google Spreadsheet. So you can open your Google Mail or the Google account, and you can open this 9 dots, this Google app, and go to the sheets over here. And after that, you can start to upload your files into this section. So you can go to this open file picker. And after that, you can go to this upload, go to the browse. And after that, you can start to upload the files. And kindly wait for the uploading process. And then this is the file we have now. And what's the next thing that we can connect these files into this Notebook LM? Super simple. So make sure that you can click this share. And after that, you can change this restricted to the anyone with the link. And you can also adjust the role like the viewer, commenter, and editor. But since we would like to do the simple analysis using the Notebook LM, it is enough to use this viewer only. And after that, you can copy the link. This is the main thing that you need to do. Copy the link. And after that, go back to this Notebook LM. Go to the website and paste the link into this section, and after that you can click the insert. And you see here that this file's actually not written in English, but the cool thing that you can do with this Notebook LM is you can read, or you can ask for help this Notebook LM to read every single data or sources, articles, book, everything, and it's gonna help you to analyze this into your language, guys. So you can click insert and kindly wait for the extraction, and this gonna be the result, guys. It's kind of the short summarize before you can or have a chance to build a conversation and do analysis or deep dive and get more knowledge about these files or about the information in these files, guys. So you can start to ask something using this recommended question from this Notebook LM. For example, I'm going to select this one, explain the storytelling strategy. And this gonna be the result. All of this response from this Notebook LM or every single statement is always based on the information that shown into or inside this files, guys. It's kind of the, if you see the bubble, it's kind of the footnotes about where is this statement coming from, something like that. And if you feel enough to gather any information from these files and having the conversation, having the knowledge, so you can transform it, let's say, into the report. For example, I will select this one. And after that, you can start to select the format, like the create your own, briefing document, study guide, blog post, or even the suggested like the strategic optimization plan, competitive positioning analysis, analytical framework primer, and also the platform ecosystem overview. For example, I'm going to select this one, and you can also do the adjustment again before generate it into the one whole report, like the languages and also the description about the report that you would like to create. Let's say I want to develop the detailed strategy addresses, and after that I will click the generate and kindly wait for the result. Usually gonna be shown into the section. And after waiting for a while, so this is gonna be the look. And you can also even do the editing into the document format, but still using the Google ecosystem, that is the Google Doc. Go to these three dots and export to document. And after that, this is gonna bring you into this new tab, and you can now do the editing with your report, guys. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try to connect your Excel or spreadsheet files with this NotebookLM to do the analysis, or helping you out to do the analysis. I hope this video and also step by step find you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.